Want hands-free, high-performance vacuuming with the latest AI navigation? Meet the Shark AV2501AE, a robot vacuum that doesn't just clean, it thinks smart. With ultra-precise mapping, powerful suction, and a self-empty base that holds up to 60 days of debris, this vacuum is built to make your life easier. Whether it's pet hair, carpet, or hardwood, this robot handles it all. Let's dive into what makes the AV2501AE one of Shark's smartest vacuums yet. 360 degrees LiDAR vision quickly and accurately maps your home so your robot can methodically clean, detecting and avoiding objects.